Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome you to our August new products video. Our first new product is from Carpenter Industries, this reproduction emblem. This is the flare side. This fits the 92 to 96 Ford F-150. Brand new from Carpenter Industries. It's a licensed Ford product. Just to let you know, we have all the emblems for all the early Broncos, all the way up to the late model Broncos, and from the early F-Series to the late F-Series, all available here at the Bronco Graveyard. And our next new product are these rear seat armrests. These fit the 1967.5 to 77 Ford Bronco. They're available in two colors, the parchment and black, sold in pairs. These are made just like the originals, have this hard metal steel frame inside, self-skidding urethane on the outside, a really nice way to spruce up your rack seat. And our next new product is for the 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. It's this replacement bow top. This is for the full top on the early Bronco. There's two on the truck. People know over the years tops get stuff thrown on them or they come loose and you get that wobble effect when you go down the road with the metal. Well, this is your place to fix it. This is modeled on the 66 to 68 one. It'll work all the way to 77. What's nice about this, they've got really good metal adhesive now. You can just take the old one out, put it up in there, glue it right in place, weld in the side brackets, and you're ready to go. They sell for $59, brand new from Dynacorn. And our next new product is from Rampage Industries, from their Trail Gear series. It's this brand new shovel. Comes in this nice little carrying case. You're out in the woods somewhere, you get stuck or your buddy gets stuck, mud, snow, pop it open, and you got a shovel. You can dig yourself out. Or if you got hard stuff packed in, pick. Also, the really hard stuff comes with this foldable pick. What's nice about it, when you're done with it, you fold it down, folds up, back in the carrying case, back under the seat, and you're ready to go. Brand new from Rampage Industries, the Trail Gear Series Trail Shovel. And for our August Web Truck of the Month, we have Anthony Kusher's beautiful 1996 California Bronco. Again, thank you for the support. We appreciate it, and hope to see you again next month.
The 96 with the 5.8 and the E4OD. Had about 2-3 years. A guy in the Coast Guard brought it back from California. It's been all over the U.S., Maine and whatnot. This side's been painted. It's got a Jeff's Bronco Graveyard quarter on it, and then just door and fender I could find. It used to be a fire truck in California, I guess. It's got the Windsor, and the E4OD rebuild about, I don't know, 1,000 miles ago maybe.
All right, didn't do anything to suspension yet, or just
no, working on it. Want to do a mild or a mid-travel suspension kit on it eventually, but just shocks for now. Drive it there, drive it back.